because Lucy came to see me.
Yeah, finally.
I know, I just always see in your comments and your username.
Yeah.
I just walked in, I'm like, Lucy?
I was like, oh, that's Melissa.
Yeah, I feel like I already knew.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to give you a rundown. First, we went to Sugar Factory, which you're gonna see right now. I recorded my husband and myself, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. I also decided to include a little clips of me doing my makeup for today, the weekend. But of course, if you guys want to see a full makeup tutorial, then let me know and I will do it for you guys. But that is what you guys are going to watch right now. That's what I'm going to be using today, the CoverGirl. So we're going to be trying it out in camera today. those that are going to ask me what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm wearing this Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss, and Papa Don't Peach is my favorite. And yeah, so that is what I'm wearing on my lips for today. Hey guys, so we are heading right now to mamasushi. Yes, this is his first time going there and I'm excited. Bye. You have anything to say, babe?
Nada, emotivo. Estaba muy suave.
Yes. Bye.
Campesino, ¿sabes?
I'm gonna open it now. We ordered some stuff for my dog. These are actually his favorite bones, and he was running out of them. Like, we weren't finding them in Target, so we had to order them online. And these are called the Dream Bones, and they're literally his favorites. He loves these. So these are the chicken flavor. We have 3, 4, 5. We got 5 bags for him of bones, and then we got 2 bags of his favorite cookies, which is sweet potato and beef. But these are like the soft ones. They're really, really good. So that is that. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's pretty heavy and it's full, so you can easily grab one. We still had 2 bags and I just put them in one. So yeah, this is gonna hold him up until a long time. So I'm so happy that he's gonna have his favorite bones back. I don't know what's going on with Target. Like, we can't find these in the store no more, but we've been buying them online, and that's why we got 5 of them, because my dog loves these. And we have tried other brands, but these are his favorite ones.